Lesson 1. Greeting. สวัสดี 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 means hello. So basically every time you meet each other, you should say สวัสดี with both of your hands together. Do you see that emoji? Actually, it's not a high five. For Thai people, it's more like why? Why is like something to show courtesy or show respect to each other. So every time when you say สวัสดี, you put both of your hands like that and then bow your head a little, and that's the perfect สวัสดี. In Thai, men and women speak a little differently. If you're a guy, you should add the word ครับ 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 after every sentence you speak to be polite. And if you're a woman, you should say ค่ะ 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 instead. So a guy should say สวัสดีครับ 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 while a woman would say สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ. Well, there are still some other ways to greet people based on the time of the day. For example, in the morning, you can say สวัสดีตอนเช้า 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 means good morning, and the word ตอนเช้า ตอนเช้า means morning. So it's like hello in the morning, then it's good morning. So if you notice, it's just the word สวัสดี followed by the time of the day. In the afternoon, you can say สวัสดีตอนบ่าย 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 means good afternoon. The word ตอนบ่าย ตอนบ่าย means afternoon. In the evening, you can say สวัสดีตอนเย็น 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 means good evening, and the word ตอนเย็น 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 means evening. Usually when we say ตอนเย็น, it's from around 4 to 6. And at night, before you're going to sleep, you should say ฝันดี 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 means good night or a sweet dream. The word ฝัน ฝัน means dream, and the word ดี ดี means good, so it's good night. And that's it for today. ขอบคุณที่รับชมค่ะ. Thanks for watching my videos, and how to say goodbye. ลาก่อน 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 But usually Thai people would just say bye, 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 just like in the English word bye, but yeah, sounds a bit more Thai. So ลาก่อน and see you next time. Bye.